Grow your wealth. Trees are the new green. Ever thought about growing your money like trees? Investing in forests is real, and making smart investors a lot of green. Forget Wall Street. Trees offer a steady, reliable way to build wealth. Plus, you're helping the planet. Intrigued? Let's dive into forestry investing. Forestry investing is exactly what it sounds like. You're putting your money into trees. This could mean buying land and planting your own forest, or investing in companies that manage forests. Think of it like buying shares in an apple orchard. But instead of apples, you're getting valuable timber, land appreciation, and even carbon credits. It's a long-term investment, meaning you'll see the biggest returns after several years, kind of like a fine wine that gets better with age. Stocks go up, stocks go down, and sometimes they take your hard-earned money. Real estate can be profitable, but is illiquid and prone to bubbles. Forestry is like the strong, silent type of investment. Trees aren't affected by daily market swings. They grow, steadily increasing in value. Plus, you're investing in real trees that provide environmental benefits. Section 4. The many ways. Your forest makes money. Think trees. Just sit there looking pretty? Think again. First, timber sales. This is the big one. Valuable timber for construction and more. Selective harvesting ensures sustainable income. Next, land appreciation. Timberland appreciates over time. Demand for land increases your investment. Then, carbon credits. Trees absorb carbon dioxide. Companies buy carbon credits from forest owners. Finally, leasing for hunting or recreation. Lease to hunters, campers, or outdoor enthusiasts. Section 5. Slow and steady wins the race. The beauty of long-term growth. Forestry investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's a marathon, not a sprint. But that's the beauty of it. Trees offer a stable, reliable way to build wealth over the long haul, providing you with peace of mind and a legacy to pass down to future generations. Imagine your grandkids enjoying the fruits, or should we say, timber, of your wise investment decades from now. Section 6. Planting your seeds. Getting started with forestry. Investments. You don't need to buy a whole forest to get started. There are several ways to dip your toes into forestry investing. Timber Investment Management Organizations, or TIMOs. They manage timberland for investors. It's a hands-off option. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs. REITs offer stock market access to forestry. Finally, sustainable forestry ETFs. They track companies in sustainable forestry. Section 7. Watch your money. Grow, one tree at a time. Forestry investing might not be as glamorous as day trading crypto, but it's a solid, time-tested way to build wealth. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today. Do your research, explore your options, and consider adding forestry to your investment portfolio. Your future self and the planet will thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this content.